Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x. This is equal to 576. What is the value of x given that x is a member of real numbers? Now let's provide a solution from here. We can express 4 to the power of x as 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of x, then plus we can express 8 as 2 to the power of 3 raised to the power of x. This is equal to 576. The next step is that 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x and 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x. This is in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of m raised to the power of n. Applying this exponent property, then we have 2 to the power of x raised to the power of 2, then plus 2 to the power of x raised to the power of 3. This is equal to 576. Now, 2 to the power of x is common here, so we can let 2 to the power of x be equal to u. Substituting u, and expressing this equation in terms of u, we have u squared plus u to the power of 3. This is equal to 576. Now, let's take 576 on the left-hand side. So this becomes u to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2 minus 576. This is equal to 0. So we have u to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2. Subtract 576, which is minus 512 minus 64. This is equal to 0. So this implies that we have u to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2, subtract 512. This is the same thing as 8 to the power of 3 minus 64, which is 8 to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. We have u to the power of 3 and 8 to the power of 3. So this is u to the power of 3 minus 8 to the power of 3 plus u to the power of 2 minus 8 to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. Now we have u to the power of 3 minus 8 to the power of 3. This is the difference of two cubes expressed as a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. U squared minus 8 squared. This is the difference of two perfect squares expressed as a squared minus b squared. So a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. This is equal to a minus b. Into the parentheses, this is a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. Applying this identity, then u to the power of 3 minus 8 to the power of 3. This is equal to u minus 8. Then here we have u squared plus 8u, then plus 8 squared, which is equal to 64. Now, the second part here, this is the difference of two perfect squares, which is a squared minus b squared, that we can express as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this means we have u squared minus 8 squared. This is equal to u plus 8 multiplied by u minus 8. Now, let's combine this first part here and the second part here, which means that we have u minus 8. We have u squared plus 8u plus 64, then plus u plus 8, then multiplied by u minus 8. This is equal to 0. U minus 8 is common here. We can factor out u minus 8. Then here we have u squared plus 8u plus 64. then plus u plus 8, cross the parentheses, this is equal to 0. So we have u minus 8 into the parentheses, this is u to the power of 2, then plus 8u plus u, this is 9u, then plus 64 plus 8, this is plus 72, cross the parentheses, this is equal to 0. Now, we have got two parts here. We have u minus 8, this is equal to 0. And we have u to the power of 2 plus 9u plus 72. This is equal to 0. From the first part here, we have u is equal to 8. While the second part here is a quadratic equation where we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 9, and c is equal to 72. Now, let's assess the nature of the root of this quadratic equation. And to do that, let's determine the discriminant value, which is b squared minus 4ac. Now, substituting a, b, and c here, so we have 9 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a, which is 1, then times c, which is 72. And this means that we have 9 squared, this is 81, minus we have 4 times 72, this is 288. So this means that 81 minus 288, this is minus 207, and this is less than 0, which implies that we have two complex roots. We have two complex roots, and therefore there is no real solution that can be obtained from this quadratic equation. So in other words, we reject the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is rejected simply because x is a member of real numbers. Now, since we have u is equal to 8, and if you recall, we understand that let 2 to the power of x be equal to u. So we have 2 to the power of x, this is equal to u, which is equal to 8. So we have 2 to the power of x, this is equal to 8, which is 2 to the power of 3. Since the bases are common, that is 8 to the power of n, this is equal to 8 to the power of m. Since the bases are common, exponent n is equal to m. So in this case, we have x is equal to 3. We have x is equal to 3. So this is the value of x. So let's check if this value of x satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have 4 to the power of x plus 8 to the power of x. This should give us a value of 576. So we have 4 to the power of x, which is 3, plus 8 to the power of 3. This should give us a value of 576. 4 to the power of 3, this is equal to 64, plus 8 to the power of 3, which is 512. This should give us a value of 576. Now, 64 plus 512, this is 576, which is equal to 576. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this affirms that x equal to 3 satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.